If your firm has staff at different seniority levels, billing accurately gets complicated fast. A junior associate and a senior advisor don't cost the same, but keeping track of who billed what, at what rate, without mistakes, takes real effort. Custom billing rates give each team member their own rate for the services they perform. TaxDome applies it automatically when they log time or when the line items for delivered services are added to the invoice. No manual selection, no guesswork. The setup is a one-time thing. You create a rate, assign the right team member, and set the rate for each relevant service. After that, the system handles it. When a team member logs time and picks a service, the correct rate is filled in automatically. When it's time to invoice, that rate carries over, whether the invoice is created from a time entry or manually. And from the client side, nothing changes. They see the service name and the amount, just a clean, professional invoice. Once it's set up, the right rate is always there. No errors, no manual corrections, no revenue slipping through the cracks.